Good afternoon, students. In the last class, I have just completed the topic solutions. Now in this class, I will solve some problems. In these problems, some may be repeated in the homework given. Okay? And these all problems are important problems which may appear in the annual exam. First question. Question number 1. 18 grams of glucose. 18 grams of glucose C6H12O6 is dissolved in 1 kg of water. Is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a saucepan. At what temperature will water boil? At 1.013 bar. Kb for water is equal to 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole. This is a problem related to which of the colligative property? Yes, it is a problem related to elevation in boiling point. Now take the terminologies. W2 is equal to 18 grams. M2 is equal to 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 60. That will be equal to 180 grams per mole. W1 is equal to 1 kg. So Kb already I have written here. So delta Tb is equal to Tb minus Tb naught is equal to Kb into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. This is the formula which is related to elevation in boiling. Now this quantity will become 1. Here it is 1000 gram divided by 1 kg. We have taken 1 kg, so that need not convert it to 1000. Okay. So just let me substitute. Delta Tb is equal to Kb 0.52 W218 divided by 180 into 1. That will be 0.052 K. Okay. Now Tb, we know the value of Tb. Tb means boiling point of Tb naught. Boiling point of water is 373.15. Therefore, delta Tb is equal to or Tb minus 373.15 Kelvin is equal to 0.052. Therefore, Tb is equal to, this will go that side, 373.15 plus 0.052, that will be 373.202 Kelvin. So at a temperature of 373.202 Kelvin, the solution will be boiled. Now second problem, the vapor pressure of pure water at 298 Kelvin is 23.8 mmHg. 50 grams of urea formula NH2CO NH2 is dissolved in 850 grams of water. Is dissolved in 850 grams of water. Calculate the vapor pressure of this solution and its relative lowering. So in each session, that means in each formula, I will solve one problem, and if time is done, I will solve the next set. Okay. Vapor pressure of pure water at 298 Kelvin is 23 mmHg. So that it is a problem related to relative lowering of vapor pressure. First, you decide which is the formula. Write down the formula neatly. So here, delta P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to P1 naught minus P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to W2 divided by M2 into M1 divided by W2. This is the formula. Now write the quantities which are given in the problem. Solution. So here, vapor pressure of pure water is given, so that it will be P1 naught. P1 naught is equal to 23.8 mmHg. P1 we are asked to calculate, and relative lowering. Relative lowering means this is the relation, delta P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to question mark. Now in the problem it is also given that 50 grams of urea, W2 is equal to 50 grams, M2 is equal to nitrogen mass is 14 into 2 plus H into 4, 1 into 4 plus 12 plus 16. It totally comes up to 60 grams per mole, and W1 is 850 grams. M1 is equal to 18 grams per mole. Now substitute the values. Delta P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to W2 is 50 grams into M1 is 18 divided by W1 is 850 into M2 is 60. So it will be delta P1 is equal to into P1 naught 23.8. It will be 0.42, and it is lowering of vapor pressure. Okay. Now P1 naught minus P1 is equal to 0.42 implies P1 is equal to, this will come this side, this will come this side, 23.8 minus 0.42, 23.38 mmHg. This is the vapor pressure of solution. Vapor pressure of solution. Now relative lowering is equal to delta P1 divided by P1 naught. So it is equal to 0.42 divided by 23.8. So it is equal to 0.0176. Okay. Now second problem is completed. Third one. 45 grams of ethylene glycol. 45 grams of ethylene glycol. Bracket C2H6O2 is mixed with given statement. So in the problem, if it is given boiling point, then it is a problem related to elevation in boiling point. If in the problem it is given vapor pressure, then it is a problem related to relative lowering. If in the problem if it is given freezing point, then it is a problem related to depression in freezing point. And in the problem if it is given osmotic pressure, then it is a problem related to osmotic pressure. Now here, so we know the formula, delta Tf is equal to Tf naught minus Tf is equal to W2 kb into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. So in the problem, W2 is equal to W2 is equal to 45 grams. M2 is equal to C2H6O2 means 2 into 12 plus 1 into 6 plus 16 into 2. Totally it will be 62 grams per mole. Okay. Now W1 is equal to 600 grams and here it is given Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Now just substitute the values in the problem. You are asked to calculate freezing point depression. So therefore delta Tf freezing point depression delta Tf is equal to 1.86 into 600 45 into 1000 divided by M2 is 62 into 600. Totally it will be 2.25 Kelvin. So don't forget to put the proper unit. Okay. If you do not put the unit, then you will lose the marks. Second one, freezing point of the solution. So here I have written Tf is equal to Tf naught minus delta Tf. So Tf naught minus Tf is equal to 2.525 Kelvin. Now Tf naught we already know. We require Tf. Tf is equal to 273.15 minus 2.25, that will be 270.9 Kelvin is the Tf, that is freezing point of the solution. So now next problem. In this, some problems may be repeated in the given homeworks. Okay. Now next problem. Contains 1.26 gram of protein. Contains 1.26 grams of protein. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin is 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. Calculate molar mass of protein. So this problem I have given you in the homework, that is assignment. So but most of the students have made a mistake, so that I am solving here, and just you check out the answer with this solved answer. Okay. So here first write the given 1 mass. Last answer with unit 1 mass. Volume 200 cm cube, convert it into 10 raised to minus 3 liters. Then pi is equal to 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar. T is equal to 300 Kelvin. R is equal to 0.0831 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. W2 is equal to 1.26 grams. Okay, now so just substitute the value. M2 is equal to W2 is 1.26 grams into R is 0.0831 liter bar per Kelvin per mole into 300 Kelvin divided by M2. We have to calculate. Pi is 2.57 into 10 raised to minus 3 bar into V is 200 into 10 raised to minus 3 liters. So in the problem you have or just apply the terms with units so that you are not deciding the unit of the problem. It will be already decided. Grams, then grams will be there. So liter cancels, bar cancels, Kelvin cancels. The unit will be grams per mole. Okay. In this way, the unit itself will be decided in the problem. Now, just I will substitute here 31.4118 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 0.514. If you calculate, it will be 61,112 grams per mole. This will be the correct answer of the problem. Just whoever made the problem and made a mistake, just to clarify the mistake, okay, and correct it. Now next one, another problem I will solve in the osmotic pressure. Another problem I will solve in the osmotic pressure. So take down the formula or problem. Calculate the mass of ascorbic acid. It is vitamin C. Calculate the mass of vitamin C. Formula we don't require to be. Just you want the formula C6H8O6 to be dissolved in 75 grams of acetic acid. 75 grams of acetic acid to lower its melting point by 1.5 degrees. Kf is equal to, it is a problem related to elevation depression in freezing point, Kelvin kg per mole. Okay. Now, so here we are writing the formula. Delta Tf is equal to Tf naught minus Tf is equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. So take the quantities. We are calculating W2 here. It is a question mark. Then W1 is 75 grams. M2 is equal to 6 into 12 plus 8 into 1 plus 16 into 6. It will be 176 grams per mole. And it is given delta Tf is equal to 1.5 degrees. Okay. Just I have just taken the given quantities. Now it is time to simplify the question. W2 is equal to, we want the quantity W2, so that keep the W2 here, other two quantities we just transfer. Delta Tf into M2 into W1 divided by Kf into 1000. mass of vitamin C is equal to 0.5076 grams. Okay. Now next problem. So the all problems are important for a point of view of your exams. Okay. Next question. One point. Now next one. Sixth one. Calculate the osmotic pressure. Calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals. Calculate the osmotic pressure in pascals. Exerted by a solution. Exerted by a solution. Prepared by dissolving. Prepared by dissolving. Prepared by dissolving. 1.0 gram of polymer in of mass of molar mass 1,85,000 in 450 ml of water. 450 ml of water at 37 degrees. So you are asked to calculate osmotic pressure in the Pascal units. So that first write the formula. I is equal to W2 divided by M2 into V RT. So write down the given things. Whatever given things are there, just to write it down. Here W2 will be 1.0 grams. M2 is 1,85,000. Then W1 is 450 ml. Volume in a solution prepared by dissolving in 450 ml. V is 450 ml. That is equal to 450 into 10 raised to minus 3 liters. Then R is equal to, we already know, 0.0831 liter bar per Kelvin per mole. In this, you want the quantity pi. Just P is equal to 37 degrees. And if you just calculate it to 373, it will be 310 Kelvin. Now substitute the values. 1.0 grams into 0.0831 liter bar per Kelvin per mole into 310 Kelvin divided by M2 is 1,85,000 into V is 450 into 10 raised to minus 3 liters. So grams per mole and grams per mole will be cancelled. Liter, Kelvin cancels, bar unit will be removed. Okay, it is 0.000394 bar. We know 1 bar is equal to 1 kilo Pascal. So that 0. or 3.094 into 10 raised to minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, bar is equal to 30.94 pascals. This is the answer in the problem. The next one. Next problem. Another one I will write. Boiling point of water. 7th one. Boiling point of water at 750 mmHg is 99.63 degrees. Is 99 divided by M2 into W1. Here also we are calculating W2 is equal to TB minus TB naught into W1 into M2 divided by KB into 1000. Okay. Now they write down the things which are given in the problem. So boiling point of water is TB naught is equal to 99.63 degrees, 372.78 Kelvin. TB is equal to 100 degrees, 373.15 Kelvin. W2 is equal to question mark M2 is equal to 12 into 12 plus 22 into 1 plus 16 into 11. Totally it is 342 grams per mole. And W1 it is 500 grams. So W2 is equal to 373.15 minus 372.78 into 342 into 500 divided by 0.52 into 1000. It will be 121.67 grams. Okay. Here I will end the topic.